How to change Instagram's chat theme. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change your Instagram's chat theme. Now, before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you do not miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. So now, let us begin. The first thing you'll need to do is head over to your Instagram. Now, after you're on your Instagram, simply go to your DM section and choose a chat where you want to change your chat theme. So I'll just search a friend here. And after you find the DM, what you'll need to do is you'll need to tap on the top. Now, by top, I mean the username of your friend. Now, after you tap on it, you will see the theme option. Simply tap on theme, and there you will find a lot of theme. Now you can choose whichever you want. You will see a lot of different options. Now on the top you will see different options with different designs, but if you start scrolling down you will find simple colors and different shades. Now you can choose whichever you want. So I'll just select this one right here. It's right around here, and now tap on apply. Now right here you will see the preview. Now if you like this, you can simply tap on apply to apply this. Now tap on apply, and after you do that, you can head back to the text, and right here you will see the new theme that you've just applied. And it's literally that simple, and that is basically all for the video. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more, and